Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is European Green Transition CEO Aidan Lavelle. Aidan, very good to speak with you this morning. There have been lots of positive sample results coming out of the Alstom REE project, and I believe you have more good news to report today.
Hi, Stephen. Yeah, we have more good results from the Alstom project today. We've had a busy few months. We've announced a lot of rock and channel sample results over the past few months, but today we've announced the preliminary metallurgical results. And these results show that the mineralization study at Alstom can produce a concentrate. We're getting very good recoveries between 80 and 90%. We're also getting grades between 10 and 12% total rare earth oxide in the first pass flotation. And then we've also upgraded that initial recovered product with high-grade high-intensity magnetic separation, and that's giving us concentrates at up to 40% total rare earth oxide. So that's very high grade, and we're very pleased with the result of that.
Aidan, how do these fit in relation to the other sample results?
This was a much larger sample that we took. It was 135 kilograms that we sent to GTK in Finland last year, and that sample consists of about 6 broad intervals of mineralization from the historic Alstom deposit. So that's very different from, say, the smaller field samples that we collect on the ground, that the geologists collect when they're mapping and prospecting and channel sampling. So this sample took several months to do a lot of testing on. There were a total of 20 different bench flotation studies to optimize the recovery and figure out which would be the best way to separate out the minerals. So what the experts at GTK have done is they've been able to float off the minerals with the rare earths, so that's the monazite and xenotime, and also the apatite. So these are all 3 phosphate minerals. And the process basically is flotation and magnetic separation. And these are common practices used in many other base metal mines. So there's nothing new here in terms of the technology. And it shows that we can produce a concentrate that can then potentially be sent elsewhere. So we can leverage off other companies' processing capabilities. And it gives the project optionality going forward.
EGT said before that it plans to begin drilling in the second half of the year. Aidan, are you still on track for that?
Yeah, we're well into the second half now, so I can say it is in the current quarter. We are liaising with the drill company about the mobilization date. But yes, that will take place in the current quarter, and our teams are getting ready to mobilize to site. So we expect to announce the start of drilling in the coming weeks.
Well, I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress with that. Aidan, thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Stephen.
That's European Green Transition CEO Aidan Lavelle.